IBM Executive Summit is a gathering of thought leaders from IBM, and I think customers should be encouraged to participate in this event to really take back some extremely good thoughts around what they can do to transform their enterprise. I'm attending the IBM Executive Summit for the first time, and the experience till now has been pretty good. The opening sessions were quite thought-provoking in what they sort of sought to deliver to all the attendees. So I'm quite looking forward to the rest of the day with the one-on-one meetings, which would seem to give us a better idea of what IBM is doing in different spaces.
This is my first visit to Colombo, and I think it's a beautiful city as well. We met a lot of good, knowledgeable people who are willing to share their ideas, listen to us, and then give us inputs on what potentially we could be doing. And that's a good opportunity that anybody would want to use.
It's been probably one of the most exciting events that I've been to in the last 12 years that I've spent with IBM. We've had some exceptional customer interactions going over the last couple of days.
What it really did is it brought together various distinguished speakers from the world of IBM, and they shared their insights and experience. So, to get so much of a rich experience under one roof is really invaluable.
This is the first time for me in Colombo, and what I find that this city is quite laid back and relaxed, and it quite matches with my own character. So I have mingled with the city in one day very nicely. Yesterday we had loads of fun with the cricket matches, and at the end of it, winning the Super Sixer award was the cherry on the cake.
In fact, the one thing which I liked most was the ask sessions. And we are able to share with them, we are able to ask on various technology which they are expert, and we understand them in a much better way. We get a full-fledged attention or a focused attention from these experts, and that's a great opportunity.
The IBM Software Executive Summit has been an awesome experience, not only for me as an IBMer. I also represent some customers whom have interacted closely over the last 2 days. They've had a very great experience. They've learned a lot based on the feedback I've got from the IBM execs who visited and the customers who've come here to Colombo. This has been an awesome and an amazing experience for all of us, and we look forward to the same event in the coming years.